Hello, I'm Sam Stovall, Managing Director, U.S. Equity Strategy. In this week's IPC Notes, found on www.getmarketscope.com, I discussed our technical outlook for the S&P 500 as well as our revised 12-month target. S&P Capital IQ's Investment Policy Committee raised its 12-month target for the S&P 500 to 2,100, representing a 9% price increase for the U.S. equity benchmark during the coming year, based on the June 3rd close. The allocation was unchanged. According to S&P Capital IQ consensus estimates, operating earnings per share are projected to rise 12.4% over the coming year. In addition, inflation is expected to remain at or slightly below the recent 2.0% CPI reading. Even with the possibility of slight PE contraction to below 17 times as this bull market ages, we believe underlying fundamentals support a high single-digit price gain for U.S. equities in the year to come. From a technical perspective, the trend for the S&P 500 remains bullish in our opinion as it continues to inch higher as the other indices test important levels of resistance. However, the 500 is not expected to post substantial gains until other indices establish themselves above their current levels of resistance. Looking at the S&P 500, there are several levels of important support on any pullback. These levels are well defined at 1876, extending down to 1850, which was the January high of this year. This level is also where the April pullback found support and began its choppy rise. While these levels of support remain intact and the ascending trend channel remains in force, we continue to be bullish and anticipate further gains. I'm Sam Stovall, and I'll talk with you again next week.